the Huawei Mate X is going to come out. It's actually going to come out. There's a date. There's a price. People were skeptical for a while there. They didn't know what to think. Is it still going to go down, or is it a wrap because it's been so delayed? Of course, the issues with the Galaxy Fold, the bad press, and then not just the hardware tech and the issues, durability issues with folding displays in 2019, but also the whole trade situation. Mm-hmm. That's a double whammy for Huawei. But apparently they're ready to go. They're ready to kick it out into the world at $2,074 converted. Now, the reason it's converted to a weird price is because initially it looks like, and maybe permanently, this thing might just launch in China, and that's a wrap, and that's it. Because now we have to add the element of the trade situation, the ban or at least restriction, and the fact that it would be really, it's really tough to begin with to launch a phone lacking Google Play services.
Yeah.
It's even more difficult when you're asking for a premium price tag, $2,000 plus, and you're lacking Google Play services. So obviously, as we've stated in the past, those Google Play services not as important in the Chinese market, where they appear to be happy to use other app stores and okay with using other email clients and so forth, because Google doesn't have a Play there. So the spec here for November 15th, high silicon Kirin 980 SoC, 8 gigs RAM, 512 gig storage. It'll have 5G built in. And of course, the 8-inch foldable display resolution at 2480 by 2200 at a 9.9 by 8 aspect ratio. Translated price, $2,074. That's pretty soon, November the 15th. Maybe we can get our hands on one, import one. Google Play services, I don't mind temporarily just to check it out, compare it to the Fold. It's still interesting to me.
Yeah.
I didn't lose sight of it, particularly the fact that it's an alternative implementation, folding the other way around. I was curious from the jump, still haven't had my chance to get my hands on it. Now, the only speculation that remains is whether or not they'll find a way to get it into other international markets, or if it will remain China only. I think at least for the immediate future, it's going to be China only. So if you were sitting around waiting for this thing in some other market, I wouldn't wait too long for the time being. That's just speculation. But I'm not too confident at the moment. There's just a lot of chips stacked against the release of this internationally. But nonetheless, we're going to learn a lot more about it, even just launching into China.